we got speed bumps, so slow your roll. But yeah, we have added some poles here because it snows, and when they plow the roads, we have to know where the speed bumps are. And moderate, fire danger, low or high. It's been high for the whole season. Here in California, there's fires for days. Here's our ball field. Nice and foggy. Normally there's deer out here every morning, but I believe the cold has pushed them more south. But I believe they're still around. I'll catch them here and there. Got to keep things warm. Got my Christmas tree right there. I don't know what kind of tree that is, but this is like a area where you can sit down and read and enjoy the nature. Good morning, guys. What is going on? Just wanted to touch base with you guys, give you guys a little bit of this morning of how the park looks. Foggy, cold, and damp. We just had rain, and anything that's higher than 8,000 feet had 4 inches of snow. So, and it's not even fall yet, guys. It's not even fall yet, and I have a bad feeling. I have a bad feeling that we're gonna have a very, very crazy winter. But you know me, I love snow. I love the opportunity to play in it and give you guys adventures in the snow. We have 4-wheelers, we have snowmobiles, we have front end loaders, back end loaders, sideway loaders, you know, things like that to get through the snow and clean off our roofs, clean off all the stations, you know, maintain this park during the winter. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Nick's not really looking up to this, but she'll be okay. She'll be in the office and doing her office thing while I'm out playing in the snow and working. But that being said, I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you guys know how this morning is. I'm going to try to do my best to keep giving you guys great adventures on our days off, things like that. But this past couple days off, we just wanted to, you know, hang around the house, clean the house, make sure the trailer is winterized. Well, I haven't done that yet. I should, because it's 32 degrees right now. And, well, right now it's 32, but in a couple days it's going to be like 75. So it's going to go back up. So it has its spurts, you know, cold, warm, cold, warm. So I still have time. I have until October 1st to get it to the storage, but I want to winterize it before I take it there. I will do a video on winterizing the trailer, because this will be my first time ever winterizing an RV, ever, because I'm a Florida cracker. We just don't deal with stuff like that. This is all going to be new to me. It's all going to be all learning curves. So just bear with me, enjoy the adventure, because all in itself, it's going to be an adventure. So again, God bless all of you. I gotta head up to work. Wanted to show you a couple things, but God bless all of you. Stay safe, stay warm, and see you guys on the next adventure.